So we're going to use an ohm meter to test the timing. And you see I have a wire connected to the isolated portion of the points. That wire goes to one lead on an ohm meter that's set on audio. And the other end of the ohm meter is connected to the gas port that is grounded to the rest of the engine. So we're going to put the flywheel on and turn it around until we hear a signal, and then keep turning it until the signal goes off and see if that lines up with the timing marks. So I'm going to start turning the flywheel until we hear continuity. There goes. And we're going to keep turning it until the other timing mark comes around. I've marked with a black marker. There it is. Oh, and there we see that I lose continuity before the first mark, and ideally I should lose continuity when it gets to this point. So my point is, my gap is too large, it's opening too soon, so I'm going to reduce it a tiny bit, and we'll try again. So we're going to adjust our timing. First we'll loosen our set screw. We're going to turn our let's check again now. Okay, we've made a slight adjustment, so we're going to check against the timing mark one more time. And there we go. That looks close enough. Right in between the marks. I'm ready to test my second set of points. So I've got the wire hooked up to the isolated portion of the points. And that again goes down to my ohm meter that I have set on audio. So I'm going to put the flywheel on, and we'll turn it around until we see where we stop having continuity. I'm going to check the timing now. Here comes our mark. A little early. So I'm going to close up the gap. So I'm just going to finish up the installation, putting on the clip and then the spring clip, and then we're going to fine-tune the point using the cam bolt. There we go. Here's the clip. So made one final adjustment. We'll check the timing. There are the marks, and that's perfect. So we'll move on to completing the rest of the ignition system, the capacitors and the coils.